Hey guys, today we're doing something out of the normal. We're coding a bot. Once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty dang easy. All links I'm using, including my Discord server, is in the description down below. And without further ado, go join my Discord server. We got, you can apply for staff, and you can get YouTube rank, partner role, welcomer, talker. And if you boost, then you get server booster, and then you get previous server booster for life. So that's a fun thing. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so what you want to do first is go to the website, glitch.com, and I've already logged in, but you want to log in, and then with Google or whatever you want to log in with. Right, okay, now I'm going to hit new project after that. Hello, SQLite. Yeah. Next, you want to go to package.json, type in discord.js. Now that that's added, you want to delete everything except for package.json and .env. So you want to delete everything else except for those two, like so. I'm going to do new file, name this server.js, add this file, and you want to type the following. And you have to type this exactly how I am, or else it will not work. For some reason, it's very sensitive, and if you even type a little bit off, it will not. Next, you want, oh, did it delete my rest? No, it didn't, okay. My screen's just cut off. Oh, there's a captcha service that's cutting it off. Alright. Now let's get back to business. Then you want to enter down, or return down, let client equals new discord dot client dot on. No. First you want to type client dot login, and this is very last, but I'm typing it in just to show you. So now let's make a new application, fbot, right? So now you want to make it a bot. You want to copy the token. Don't give anyone else that token. Paste the token right there. Now you want to make that last. It's line 10 for me. So that's what I'd suggest. Client dot on. Then you want to type message, out of parentheses, and then space message equals the greater than sign, I think it is. Yes. And then that's it. Nope. And that's it. You want to go down a line, type message dot channel dot send. No, you don't. No, you don't. I lied. You want to type if message dot content equals, and then type whatever you want. I'll type Bob, right? But then you have to enter that. You have to return down a line and type message dot channel dot send, and then type what you want the bot to respond with. I'm gonna type that, and then you return down a line, type that, return down a line, type that, and that, and then you're set. As long as that shows no errors, you did it right, and your bot should be online. My fault, night. It's just that you have to go to general information, hit copy, give your bot all the permissions you want it to have, paste the client ID right in there, and it gives you a link, you have to click said link and invite it to your server. I'm going to invite it to my fan to Discord server. And then you want to go on, and boom, it's online. And now you can add infinite of these. I'm going to, first let me show you it works. If I type Bob, right? Bob. I don't think they have access to type in milestone, so I type in general. Bob. Gee golly, did I mess up? Quickly. Okay. I did. That's not supposed to be that far indented. That's supposed to be right in front of that. Yeah, so that's what I messed up on. And then what you want to do is, okay, so yes, then Bob, and then it'll work. Just had this issue. Tried to record this earlier, it didn't work. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. I know why. I typed send wrong. The builder. The builder. Then you do that. Then you do that. Okay. Now go to your Discord server and type the keyword, and it'll